Okay, now, see, we're gonna just take that and swivel it up. Just like that. Okay? There. Now we can work on the black wire. On the gold screw, remember, the black goes on the smaller side, the neutral is on the bigger side. Got my loop in there. I can just put a little kicker in it, just a hair. You know, so it kind of comes out like that. And I can twist this like that, put it over that screw, put it over sideways like this, see? Now once it's on, now I can swivel that over into place. Like that, because see, lots of times there's not enough room. See how right there, it's hard to get it right there. The screw won't come out any further. That's why if you put it sideways like that, then swivel it over, like that. Okay, now I gotta pull the slack out of there. You know, want all that slack out. I can take that and pinch that down. I'll pull the slack out of that a little bit. I'm holding this and I'm trying to hold this against my hand and this, like that. Okay. Trying to keep my elbow out of there. Maybe if I do this, the elbow's right in the way, huh? There. Voila. We're about ready to push this back into the wall. What do you think?